Hi there, I'm Tanya and you're watching our YouTube channel Learn with Ears. Now let's start with our today's topic, that is sounds of English alphabet. Let's learn reading with phonics. Phonics means sounds of letters, okay? If you haven't watched our previous lesson, the English alphabet, then you must watch that first. That lesson will help you to understand this lesson better. The English alphabet has 26 letters. When you mix them correctly, you will be able to spell, read, and understand 44 different sounds of English alphabet. If you watch these easy lessons, you will improve your pronunciation and gain confidence to speak in English fluently. Now sit back, relax, and start learning. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes letter Y also acts like vowel. Vowels can make many sounds, but we will learn short vowel sounds first. First of all, let's forget the names of the letters and just learn some sounds. Please repeat short vowel sounds. A, E, I, A. Consonants also make many sounds, but we will learn short consonant sounds first. These are consonants and we will learn short consonant sounds. Now let's look at how we pronounce all the letters together. Here we go. Here on the screen there are two letters, capital A and small a. The sound of letter A is A. A. Apple, apple, A. A. Ant, ant. B. B. Book, book. B. B. Bat, bat. It's a bat. K. K. Cat, cat. K. K. Cap, cap. Remember, letter C has two sounds, hard sound and soft sound. Today we are learning only hard sound. If you want to learn hard sound and soft sound of letter C, so you can watch the video right here. You can click right here and watch the video. Also, you can find the link in description. D, D, duck, duck. D, D, dog, dog. E, elephant, elephant. E, egg, egg. Fish, fish. Fan, fan. G, g. Girl, girl. G, g. Grapes, grapes. Remember, letter G also makes two sounds, hard sound and soft sound. If you want to learn hard sound and soft sound of letter G, you can find the link in description. Hat, hat. Hand, hand. I, ink, ink. I, igloo, igloo. J, j, jug, joker, kite, k, k, king, king, l, l, lion, lion, l, l, lemon, lemon, m, m, monkey, monkey, m, m, mango, mango, n, n, nest, nest, n, n, nose, nose, owl, owl, onion, pot, pot, pig, pig, qua, queen, queen, question mark, rat, ring, sun, snake, table, tiger, umbrella, umbrella, uncle, violin, van, watch, window, Xmas, X-ray, yogurt, yoga, zebra, zoo, zebra or zebra, zoo. Thank you.